aba ministry ebyo bwegese n'emizano bakarwe bagira ngo curriculum eyabirineshomesibwa henkuru ekaniretera abana bingi kushohora mubitu batinde bukugu oburi kubasa kubayambaho okuza omukatare bakerondera emirimo. Johnson Kusima bayingana olikurira ebyo bwegese muri Hoima City nagira ngo bonka city tibine bashomesa abari kwemarira okubasa kuteka enshomesensia omunkora ari kugira ngo ombare gw'amashomero amingi gacine emyanya etakabasize kutibwamo abashomesa.
We do not have enough teachers. A number of schools still have vacancies which have not been filled by government.
Nahiga government okurugayo ekabasa kubiretera abashomesa abari kubasa gukora aha curriculum ari kugira ngo bashemena no kubahereza ebitabo byinji.
It is our appeal to government to ensure that more teachers are brought on board, are recruited by Ministry of Education and Sports, more textbooks cutting across sectors, private and government are procured by government.
Bingana agarukire yagira ngo omukwega okusyangwa shemekwa bine bintu ebiri kubayambaho ngo bitobwa hati ebibatine.
When it comes to the supply of textbooks and other learning materials, these textbooks are still inadequate.
Edward Isingoma ori speaker owa Hoima City Council na jirango government isheme konjera na hasente ziri kwibwa o mashomero aga secondary ngwabo kugira ngo obwa hat sente zibine ninche zikabamara okugurira abana bona ebari kwetenga.
Our incomes here are not very good, and so when we come to the materials it becomes a little bit difficult. And I think what we need to do, we need to mobilize ourselves as a city, as the government, be able to find ways of supporting these children.
Okurijira speaker curriculum inemuhe bintu bingi ebi kwija koyengera kubateganisa na mnonga kushanga ngutibine ebyo kukozesa hamwe no kushanga ngo abazire otirona n'amashomero tibari kubibasa hamwe no kushanga ngo abashomesa nabo tibeteka tekire kurungi okugira ngo base kutwara misho curriculum.
Since it is practical based, it needs materials that students can be able to use. And these materials are expensive, and so parents needed to find the money, schools needed to find the money, which may not be easy for every student. The readiness of the teachers to be able to handle these studies. Very few teachers have been trained in this curriculum.
Francis Kiva, or Senior Assistant Chief Administrative Officer wa District ya Chikube, na shoborera ari kugira ngo amatendekero agebye mikono obwa hati nibyo ebintu ebishemerire kubisa hihanga ko miringo gumwe ubwo kuranisa ibura ry'emirimo.
Ihanga lyetunka Uganda ne tukimanya ndi risimbire muna amakanda okugenda mbya industry ebyamakore kandi omakore kutwayirige tubalikanizemu emirimo nyingi ekira kubayo ebayengaro twikayirene tuginagirize ite tugambe ebyengaro bigende bwamu abalemereirwe ebyengaro tutabitwara ngunibye bikusembayo katubiho orulengo ne bworumu na amasomo agandi gona habwo kubakwo kakanga abana baitu babikubukamu bakugenda kutubera bomugaso.
Albert Odoko ori mukuru w'ishomero rya St Jude Primary School ahamwe na John Baguma ori dini aishomereri nibagira ngo enshomensensia ahabwa abana abari ho secondary ninunje munonga okugira ngo abana babase kushohora bino bukugu oburi kwemarira okwebisaho babarugiro mu mashomero.
They get practical skills, hands on. At the same time, this activity helps the children to develop communication skills.
Teaching a whole child, creating jobs for the children, giving them skills that can help them earn a living in the future.
Bena government ebasena no kubateraho ebintu ebyinaka kwate na art and crafts o mashomero aga primary.
Today the government is reawakening schools to go back to the practical skills, more so art and crafts.
Amakara gagashakwa gada saba ahabwa Sky TV Agenshong.